Me personally, I'm kind of banana person. I like any kinds of banana. I live with banana, banana cake, banana bread, banana. Namaste.
Hello everybody.
Hello everybody. Thanks for clicking this video and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we are making food recipe videos without any human face and human bodies. But today, we're gonna make something different. There's two humans in this video. Yay! My name is Merve and I'm an architect.
My name is Melis, I'm civil engineer.
So, I'm so excited to be partnering with Melis in this video. What do you think about Melis?
I'm so excited too because it's my first time in the cooking channel.
We're gonna make fabulous recipe for you in the store. We're gonna cook oatmeal with banana flavor. Stay tuned and let's get diving.
Okay, let's start with ingredients. First, we just need one banana, and then peanut butter, and oats. This is the most important things.
Oats
and almond milk, but you can use normal milk too. And and just a little cinnamon.
Oh my gosh.
Oh. And half teaspoon salt. Okay.
First, we're gonna add the oats, 1 cup of oat into the pot, and we're gonna add 1.5 almond milk. And we heat 8 degrees.
Okay, we're adding salt and mix it. That's it. It's ready for us.
For this recipe, we need 1 banana. We're using half of our inside for mixation, like a mashed banana. We are mashing half of banana. And the other half, we are cutting slices for topping decoration. End of the cooking oatmeal, we are putting oatmeal into plate. We add mashed banana on it. 1 spoon of peanut butter and cinnamon.
It's just super simple. And mix it.
And for topping, you can decorate some fruits, bananas, nuts, however you like it, you can use.
If you want, you can add peanut butter and cinnamon for topping ornamentation. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure you're gonna love this taste. Me personally, I'm kind of banana person. I like any kinds of banana. I live with banana, banana cake, banana bread, banana oatmeal. What about you?
In every ingredient, huh?
Every ingredient, I love banana. So even sometimes I make banana with rice. Please leave a comment down below. And I'd like to thank for the Melis for joining me in this video.
I'm so thankful to you also in the being and cooking channel. It's, as I said you before, it's first time for me. I'm so excited.
I also, it's the first time I'm making this video in the YouTube channel. Make sure check the description. I left the ingredient list and product links. By the way, this is not Walmart's advertisement.
Yes.
You're using great value brand, but it's not an advertisement. Otherwise, thank you guys for joining this video. Thanks for clicking this video again. Please thumbs up this video and please leave comment down below.
That's nice.
Smells nice?
Yeah,
Cool.
it's delicious.
Please hit the red button for subscribing and hit the red bell button for getting notification. By the way, you will not miss any video from our channel.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Cup.
Okay.
Serving size says 1.5 cup dry.
Okay.
Şimdi bunun tarifini de isteyeceksiniz bizden. Çok yakında. See you guys. Thanks for joining this video. Have a fabulous rest of your day.